Hello and welcome to the Car Street Expo, where we exhibit your favorite luxury cars at affordable prices. This car is brought to you by Car Street India, which is a luxury car dealership located in Naraina Vihar, New Delhi. So let's get started. आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं another showroom new unregistered car. This is the 2021 Audi Q8 55 TFSI the Quattro variant. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, this car is in showroom new condition for obvious reasons because this car has driven 1500 kilometers as a showroom demo car. Car Street offers this car with a Chandigarh registration and इस गाड़ी के जो भी buyer होंगे, he or she shall be the first owners of this vehicle. As you can see, the car is in shiny, spotless condition. We have the massive bonnet. We get a very solid front grille with chrome badging of Audi, the Quattro and chrome strips in the middle. It also comes garnished with chrome garnishing all around it. The side profile of the front bumper is extremely sporty. It comes with these matrix LED headlamps, fog lamps under them and headlight washers right under them. They give this car a very stylish and sporty appeal. We also get air intakes on the bottom of the bumper. ये गाड़ी आती है 360 degree parking sensors and camera assist के साथ. So this car gets parking sensors on all sides of its front bumper, as you can see. Other than that, this car gets its power from a 3-liter turbocharged V6 petrol engine, जो इसे देता है 340 brake horsepower with 500 Newton meters of torque, which are very satisfying figures for an SUV of this size. This is the flagship SUV that comes from Audi. So it comes with all of the features including luxury, performance, safety and drivability. Other than that, ये गाड़ी जा सकती है from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in only 5.9 seconds. And it can go up to the top speed of 250 kilometers an hour. So as I told you, this car is adequately fast for Indian roads. Now let's move on to the side profile of this car. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, हमको मिलती है बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पोर्टी प्रोफाइल on the side of this car. We get a sloping roof with chrome roof rails, which gives it a very good look. We get chrome garnishing around the windows and we get rimless windows at that. We get a gloss black window pillar over here, and in this car हमको fitted मिलते हैं premium Continental tires which have 20-inch Audi alloys fitted in them, and these tires are in brand new unused condition because this car has only driven 1500 kilometers. इसमें हमको मिलते हैं very shiny side view mirrors with turn indicators, and also adding to the sporty appeal of this car हमको मिलता है ये side skirt at the bottom of the doors. Now let's talk about the rear profile of this car. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, we get a sporty profile on the rear end of this car too. We get the sloping roof with a roof spoiler, a shark fin antenna and braking lights. हमको मिलती है बहुत ही ज़्यादा wide rear windscreen, जिसमें हमको मिलता है एक window wiper. As you can see, we have this element over here because this car comes with a sloping roof. हमको मिलती है matrix LED tail lamps which give this car a very sporty look. They run from the left side of this car to the right side of this car. हमको मिलती है chrome garnishing on the logo of Audi Q8 and the badging for the variant of this car, which is 55 TFSI. On the bottom of the bumper हमको मिलता है piano black diffuser with a chrome strip and dual exhausts. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था, this car comes with 360 degree parking sensors assist with a rear view camera, so the camera can be seen just above the number plates on the boot lid. बात करें इस गाड़ी के boot space की, now it comes with the electronic function of opening it or closing it through the using these buttons or the remote. इस बूट की मात्रा है 605 लीटर्स और इसमें आप easily accommodate कर सकते हैं 5 to 6 large suitcases, and it also comes with the electronic option of making the car's ground clearance decrease at the rear end so that it is easy for the users to put their luggage inside the car. And as you can see, it also comes with the electronic function of closing the boot. Now let's show you the interior of this car. In the interior of this car, we have a very luxurious and premium appeal. हमको मिलता है बहुत ही shiny piano black on top of the door panels and on top of the dashboard. हमको यहाँ पे मिलती है this carbon fiber kind of a chrome garnish on the door panel that accommodates the memory settings for the front seats, the lock and unlock button and the chrome door handle. हमको यहाँ पे मिलता है this leather wrapped armrest which comes with the controls for the power windows and the side view mirrors. We get this handle on top of our head on the roof. Other than that, this leather can also be seen on the central armrest console and the seats of this car, which are extremely comfortable and well cushioned. Talking about the driver side instrument console, it comes with a digital screen which gives us the analog dials for the speedometer that goes to a maximum of 300 kilometers an hour and the tachometer that goes to a maximum of 8000 rpm. It also has a gear indicator and it gives us a lot of information about the vehicle. Through the use of this button on the steering wheel, you can change the orientation of the digital screen. Talking about the steering wheel, हमको ये मिलती है wrapped in very premium black leather with controls for the infotainment system and the cruise control system garnished in chrome. We also get this Audi badging that gives it a very premium look, and as you can see, it has a very classy horn. Other than that, as you can also see, इस गाड़ी में मिलता है हमको बहुत ही ज़्यादा sporty gloss black garnish with a chrome strip that says Quattro, and we have ambient lighting right under the gloss black garnish. We can also see that carbon fiber kind of a detail on the dashboard, which gives it a very classy appeal. We have this chrome garnishing that runs on the AC vents that gives it a very sporty appeal too. We have this touchscreen infotainment unit that offers us the options of radio, media, telephone, navigation, the car settings, phone apps, and user options with messages. Talking about the car options, now we get a lot of settings for this car, in which you can set the car's driving modes, you can get the tilt information about the car, you can get the efficiency assist for driving this car, you have the options for the seats preset and everything, you have the options for the climate control of this car that you can set through the screen, you have the options to set the headlights of this car, you get parking assist, and you get driver assist. This car comes with a lot of modes, which are off-road, all-road, efficiency, comfort, automatic, dynamic, and individual. Under that, on this console that you can see, which is surfaced with very nice gloss black, it comes with this touchscreen, which is for the climate control. On the touchscreen, we have the buttons for the auto start stop function, hill descent control, parking assist, and the on-off button for this infotainment unit. आप जैसा कि देख सकते हैं, on the central console, on this glass surface, we have a black surface over here. Around that, we have this chrome garnishing. Under that, we get this ambient lighting, and under that, we have this chrome garnish that looks like a carbon fiber detail. Over here, we have some storage space that has a chrome strip on it. It comes with dual cup holders, a cigarette lighter, and a cigarette ashtray that has Audi chrome badging on top of it. This is the 8-speed automatic gearbox that comes with this car, and as you can see, the lever is wrapped with black leather and chrome garnishes. It comes with the sport mode, an electronic parking brake light next to it, and the button for the auto start stop function of this car. जैसे कि मैंने आपको दिखाया, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा premium detail हमको मिलती है ambient lighting की right under this surface. We have some storage space over here where I've kept the car's key at the moment. In the central armrest console, we get a wireless mobile charging port, some storage space, 2 USB type connectivities, and an SD type input. On the roof, we have this great panoramic sunroof that extends from the front of the car to the rear seats, and the controls for the sunroof can also be found on the roof panel, which comes with reading lights and controls for the sunshades and the sunroofs. Talking about this sunshade, we get a vanity mirror with a light. And as you can see, we get very nice stitching on the roof, which is in spotless and clean condition. जैसा कि मैंने आपको दिखाया, this car has unmatched premium interior in its front seats. So now let's talk about the rear seats of this car. We get very comfortable seats in the back seat of this car. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, I have ample legroom, thigh support, and headroom. As you can see, the seats have entirely covered my thighs and they're very comfortable to sit in. Also, while the driver's seat is in unchanged position as I was there 2 minutes back. Other than that, हमको वही मिलती है carbon fiber kind of a chrome garnish. We get an ambient lighting right on top of it. We have the leather wrapped armrest with the controls for the sunshades of the windows at the rear seats. And as you can see, we have a very wide sunshade that covers the entire window. On the door pillars, we get an AC vent and a speaker output. The speaker output can also be seen on the roof and on the bottom of the door panel. हमको मिलती है थोड़ी बहुत storage space. Behind the front seats, we have a lot of headroom as I told you. You can easily seat a third passenger in this car because it comes with a third headrest and there's more than ample legroom in this car. This car comes with 4-zone climate control, तो आप separately set कर सकते हैं air conditioning for the driver's seat, for the passenger side seat, for the left side rear seat and the right side rear seat. The controls for the rear seat's climate control options are over here on the central console just under the AC vents. And under these controls, we have have a 12 volt charging port with a cigarette lighter. Other than that, talking about the central armrest console, it also comes wrapped in very premium brown leather. हमको इसमें मिलते हैं dual cup holders and it is very wide in its capacity. Other than that, we get reading lights on the roof right above our heads, and it comes with a very spacious and luxurious feel inside this car. तो अब मैंने आपको इस गाड़ी का दायरा दे दिया है आगे से पीछे, अंदर से बाहर, from its exterior to its interior. This car is in the most premium condition that we've ever seen. This is probably one of the most high performing SUVs that Car Street has on offer. तो अब बात करते हैं इस गाड़ी की प्राइसिंग की। तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, इस गाड़ी के ओनर इस गाड़ी के फर्स्ट ओनर रहेंगे, एंड इट कम्स विद अ वैलिड वारंटी एंड सर्विस पैकेज फ्रॉम Audi till the July of the year 2022. And it also comes with a 6-month warranty and buyback offer offered to you by Car Street India with some terms and conditions. We provide 100% finance and delivery all throughout India. Now this car that is standing in front of you, इसकी on road कीमत है 1,55,00,000, which is 1,55 lakhs. But this car that has not even driven 1500 kilometers is an unregistered vehicle. This has the demanding price at Car Street of only 1,25 lakhs, which is a great deal for a car of this segment and size. तो आइए हमारे शोरूम आज और ले जाइए इसे घर. Please like, share and subscribe to our content so our cars can find their new owners. Thank you so much for watching.